Still stuck in a 9 to 5, grinding harder every year, yet feeling like you're not moving forward financially. You're not lazy, you're not unmotivated. You're simply operating in a system that trades time for money, and it's exhausting. Maybe you've tried a few things already: affiliate marketing, blogging, dropshipping, social media content, but nothing really stuck, right? Because most side hustles aren't truly passive, and they're definitely not built for busy professionals with limited time and zero headspace. What if there was a better way? A system where you don't write a single word, don't need a brand or audience, don't touch ads or do any marketing, yet still earn royalties from books that sell on Amazon every single month. That's what we do. This is Done For You Publishing, a complete service where we build the entire book business for you. Take Abigail, for example. She worked full-time in hospitality, no writing experience, no time. But she had a dream to share her recipes. We built the book. By month 3, she earned $4,510 in royalties from a book she never wrote. Now she gets paid every month while she sleeps. Here's how it works. We do your market research. We pick your niche and keywords. We handle ghostwriting, editing, cover design. We publish under your brand. We optimize your listing for SEO and sales, and we guide your growth and scaling. You own everything. You collect 100% of the royalties. We do the heavy lifting. You get the asset. Like Kate, who worked a corporate job. She always said that someday she'd write a children's book. 8 weeks after joining us, she became a published author. Now her books are earning, and quitting her 9 to 5 doesn't seem like a fantasy anymore. It's a real plan. Let's talk numbers. One well-positioned book can earn $80 to $100 per day. That's $2,500 to $3,000 per month in passive income from one book. Now imagine scaling that to 2 books. You're looking at $6,000+ per month without ads, content, or customer service. No DMs, no reels, no product inventory. Just like Alex, a full-time construction worker who wanted to help young athletes. We built his sports book, which is now making him more than his tiring job. He never touched the writing. He never ran a single ad. He just shared his vision, and we turned it into a reality. We've now helped 157 plus busy professionals launch publishing businesses, all without writing a word or figuring it out alone. This is not a course. It's not coaching. It's a done-for-you, start-to-finish service. To maintain quality, we only take a handful of new clients per month. Tap the button below to book your free strategy call. We'll walk you through exactly how it works, learn about your goals, and see if it's the right fit. No pitch, no pressure, just clarity on what's possible. Spots go fast, so if this video is still live, there's likely one open. Click below now. Let's build your passive income book business done for you.